Okay, I must begin by saying that I absolutely love the energy and the vibe in the room. And so, trust me, I don't mean to interrupt your selfie moment, but I most certainly hope that all of us have got the selfie of this morning. Thank you so much for being here, not just with yourself, but also with the amount of energy and enthusiasm that you bring to this wonderful premises of the National Stock Exchange of India. I'm going to quickly remind you once again to kindly place your cell phones on the silent mode so that we have an uninterrupted listing ceremony and be fully present here. And please take your seat, ladies and gentlemen. So let's take it from the top. Good morning. Fantastic. We are in the mood. We are in the vibe. A very, very warm welcome to each and every one of you to a milestone celebration for India's energy journey. Siemens Energy has energized India through the years and has been such a steadfast partner in India's energy transformation. Today, ladies and gentlemen, is what I call the coming together of energy and equity, of legacy and leadership, and of our role in India's growth story and in its global vision. With our demerger from Siemens Limited, energy finds a brand new home, and this morning we get listed in India as Siemens Energy India Limited. And I think that's our cue for a round of applause, everybody. Come on. Fantastic. We are here this morning to celebrate an entity that powers economies, that empowers communities, and drives energy transition with technology and with purpose. Let's begin this very special morning. It's now time for us to officially kick off the ceremony. And I think the best way to do it is like we do it in our country, by lighting this beautiful, auspicious ceremonial lamp. The light is a symbol of knowledge, wisdom, and clearly of new beginnings. And as our dignitaries take the stage and light this beautiful ceremonial lamp, I invite each and every one of you to think of whichever the higher power you believe in and to say your personal prayer. To mark this momentous occasion, I'd like to invite on stage the senior leadership of Siemens Energy India Limited and the National Stock Exchange to light the auspicious ceremonial lamp. Please join me in welcoming all of them. Corporate Vice President, Mergers and Acquisitions, Siemens AG, and Director of Siemens Energy India Limited, Karl-Heinz Seibert. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the National Stock Exchange, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. CEO and Managing Director, Siemens Limited, and Chairman of Siemens Energy India Limited, Sunil Mathur. Member of the Executive Board of Siemens Energy and Director of Siemens Energy India Limited, Tim Holt. We're also joined by Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Siemens Energy India Limited, Guilherme Mendonça, and Executive Director and Chief Financial Officer of Siemens Energy India Limited, Harish Shekhar. Thank you to all of our dignitaries for doing the honors. Thank you very much. My dear friends, Siemens Energy India, as all of us have seen, has always stood at the heart of India's energy transformation. Clearly, today's milestone, it's not just a listing. It is a leap forward. And so I think this will be the most appropriate time for us to hear from those at the helm of this transformation. I'd like to now invite on stage our esteemed leaders to share their thoughts on this remarkable journey that we've had all the way up to today, a milestone for all of us. Let's begin by welcoming Mr. Sunil Mathur, CEO and Managing Director, Siemens Limited, and Chairman of Siemens Energy India Limited.
Shri Ashish Chauhan ji, distinguished members of the board of Siemens Energy India Limited, dear guests and colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Today marks a historic milestone as we celebrate the listing of Siemens Energy India Limited on the National Stock Exchange of India. This moment represents the culmination of a remarkable journey that began in 2020 when Siemens Energy was spun off globally from Siemens AG and subsequently listed. The demerger process in India was effectively set in motion in December 2023. After Siemens AG, the promoters of Siemens Limited, requested the board of directors of Siemens Limited to consider steps towards a potential demerger of the company's energy business into a separate entity. The board of directors of Siemens Limited and other stakeholders subsequently approved the demerger, leading to the creation of two strong and independent listed entities. As you're aware, Siemens Limited will continue to be a leading technology-focused company in industry, infrastructure and mobility, while Siemens Energy India Limited will focus on being the most valued energy technology company supporting customers in transitioning to a more sustainable world. Both entities will have sharper business focus, focusing on their core activities, portfolios and capital allocation, capable of executing their own strategy with a go-to-market and operational approach to leverage the full potential of the Indian market. Siemens Energy India Limited stands at the forefront of India's expanding energy sector, poised for remarkable growth in the coming years. With India's economy projected to expand at a robust rate of 6.5% to 7% in GDP, the demand for energy generation and transmission is expected to double. This anticipated surge in capacity presents a golden opportunity for Siemens Energy India to leverage its cutting-edge technologies and innovative solutions. As investments in power infrastructure are expected to rise significantly, Siemens Energy India Limited is well positioned to capitalize on this growth, drive forward India's energy transformation, and contribute to a sustainable and prosperous future. I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the National Stock Exchange of India, the Bombay Stock Exchange, the Honorable National Company Law Tribunal, Bombay Bench, Justice Mr. Suresh Chandrakant Gupte, Bombay High Court, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Securities and Exchange Board of India, the National Securities Depository Limited, Central Depository Services India Limited, and many other authorities that are responsible for where we are today. But I would in particular like to thank my colleagues in the mergers and acquisitions team of Siemens AG and all the colleagues in Siemens Limited in the functional departments that have really had months and months of very detailed work. Their expertise, their commitment, and their attention to detail have been instrumental in bringing us to where we are today. I'd also like to take a moment to acknowledge the efforts of a whole team of people and organizations that have supported us to make this milestone possible. EY, Axis Capital and ICICI Securities, Khaitan and Company, Dhruva Advisors, PwC, PG Bhagwat, P.N. Parekh, Trustwell and Georgeson, Frost and Sullivan, MUFG In Time, and a whole lot of others, bankers and printers and mailers that have all been necessary to bring us to this stage today. To the management and employees of Siemens Energy India Limited, I extend my heartfelt congratulations and best wishes. To the equity shareholders and unsecured creditors of Siemens Limited and Siemens Energy India Limited, Thank you for your trust and confidence. We are committed to creating sustainable value and maintaining the highest standards of corporate governance. Thank you, and here's to many more milestones ahead.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mathur. What a phenomenal opening address. Thank you so much for reminding all of us of our role in India's growth story. And on that note, it is time for me to invite on stage Mr. Tim Holt, member of the Executive Board of Siemens Energy and Director of Siemens Energy India Limited, to share his thoughts with us. Let's welcome him with a warm round of applause, everyone.
Also from my side, good morning and a warm welcome to the colleagues from Siemens AG, Siemens India Limited, Siemens Energy AG, Siemens Energy India Limited, and also all of our external partners. The demerger of Siemens Energy India Limited is a significant milestone for us. A milestone that we have anticipated for a very long time, as it paves the way for Siemens Energy to become a majority shareholder. Listing is more than a financial milestone. It's a strategic leap forward. It strengthens our long-term commitment to India. It unlocks new value for shareholders and stakeholders. And it's empowering Siemens Energy India to operate with greater agility, transparency, and focus. Qualities essential to thrive in one of the world's most dynamic energy markets. For more than 100 years, India has been a key region for Siemens Energy and the energy business. And ever since, we have been partnering in India's industrial and energy development. Just a few examples. Amongst several high voltage direct current or HVDC orders, we provided the country with the longest private HVDC transmission system with a capacity of more than 2,500 megawatts. This system transmits power efficiently over 1,000 kilometers in the country's northwest. We also have commissioned India's first HVDC link featuring voltage source converter technology. The 2,000 megawatt electricity transmission system, consisting of two links between the states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, helps counter power deficits in India's southern region and improve grid stability. And, of course, over 1,700 steam turbines in Vadodara proves our engineering quality. And there's more to come, given this huge potential the country has. India is a very strong player in the energy landscape and has a great impact on the global energy transition, just as it does for the global economy. India is on a transformative journey towards becoming a $7 trillion economy. And this growth needs efficient, reliable, and sustainable energy. And we're proud to support the country's net zero ambitions through renewable integration, grid modernization, and industrial decarbonization. However, we're not just investing in infrastructure, but in people and innovation. We're investing more than 5 billion Indian rupees to expand the Kalwa transformer factory, and a big part of that goes into exporting it to all the regions of the world. We're building a new test facility for HVDC and STATCOM and power generation control in Guagon. We're establishing a competency hub to drive innovation in energy technologies. This way, we serve both the local, domestic, but also global markets, and position India as an innovation leader in energy. And we're nurturing talent. In fiscal year 2025, we launched our first all-women production line in Aurangabad. Welcomed the first batch of women technicians in Kalwa. This is inclusion in action, and I think needed more in these times as well. This way, we power India's growth at all levels. Thank you, everyone who made this milestone possible. our investors, customers, partners, and employees, and the government of India for their trust. And I can only echo what Sunil already mentioned. A big, big thank you to everybody that was involved. Looking ahead, one thing is clear. SILE is not just listed on the stock exchange, it's listed in the future of energy's energy story. Thank you.
Mr. Hall, thank you so much for shedding light on some very key data points that talk about Siemens' growth trajectory globally and in the country. Thank you very much. All right, let's now welcome the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Siemens Energy India Limited, Mr. Guilherme Mendonça.
So, good morning, esteemed guests, colleagues, partners, our chairman, Sunil Mathur, and board members of SILE, members of the National Stock Exchange, on behalf of Mr. Chauhan, MD and CEO of this house. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I stand here before you today to mark a historic milestone in the journey of Siemens Energy in India, our official listing on the National Stock Exchange. Operating in this incredible country for more than a century, Siemens Energy has been a beacon of engineering excellence and innovation. Our footprint can be found across its entire energy infrastructure. Our technology energizes the lives of hundreds of millions of Indians, what is reason of immense pride to our company and to our people. Today's listing is far more than a financial milestone. It is the reaffirmation of our commitment to this country, the accomplishment of a long-term vision. India is the country not only of the fastest growing energy market in the world, but it is a hub of ingenuity, talent, and opportunity. As we enter in this new chapter with humility and a lot of ambition, our company is ready to keep expanding its contribution to the nation and to our customers, building a sustainable future together. As a leading energy technology pure player, Siemens Energy India is fully committed to be instrumental in driving India's energy transition forward and to transform the nation in a global manufacturing hub, fully aligned with the vision of the country, making India for India, making India for the world. I would like to extend again my heartfelt thanks to the National Exchange for welcoming us today, to our investors for their trust, to our dedicated and brilliant employees, and to our customers for their partnership. India can count on Siemens Energy. Let's energize India's tomorrow, today. Thank you so much.
Mr. Mendonça, thank you for reinstating and reaffirming our commitment to India. Thank you very much. Thank you to all of our speakers for your visionary thoughts and words. Truly, after listening to all of you, I know that this marks the new beginning of a brand new chapter, one that's not simply there in the books, but it's going to define and redefine Siemens Energy in India. I want you to hold on to that thought, ladies and gentlemen. I thought now would be the perfect time for us to press rewind and look at the journey, that step-by-step journey of progress that has enabled Siemens Energy, presenting our story from energizing industries and grids to empowering lives. Let's watch. a riveting video of our journey, of the past, of course, but also a very, very promising future. As we've all gathered here for the listing, the prestigious premises of the National Stock Exchange of India, may I please request on stage Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO, NSE, to please join us and share your thoughts with us, sir. Let's welcome Shri Chauhan with a very warm round of applause. Welcome, sir.
Shri Sunil Mathur, MD and CEO, Siemens Limited, Shri Tim Holt, Executive Board Member, Siemens Energy, Shri Gulharm Mendonca, MD and CEO, Siemens Energy India, board members, employees, family members, our merchant bankers, Atul Mehra, CEO Axis Capital, Raghavendra Pandey, EVP ICICI Securities, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of Siemens Energy India Limited. Pursuant to the scheme of arrangements from Siemens Limited, NSE is proud to welcome Siemens Energy India in our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 2,750th company to list with us. India is the fourth largest capital markets in the world in terms of market capitalization. Market capitalization of NSE listed companies has grown over 120 times since NSE started operations in 1994, which stands at 444 lakh crore, that is $5.2 trillion today. And from today onwards, Siemens Energy will be an integral part of it. In 30 years, NSE has had a remarkable journey of enabling a fair, efficient and transparent capital market ecosystem and being a catalyst to the growth story of India by enabling fund mobilization, economic growth, capital formation, wealth creation and job creation. Today, NSE has over 115 million unique investors holding over 225 million accounts, spanning 99.9% of all PIN codes in the country, barring just 28, with more than 20% of all Indian households now investing in stock markets today via NSE. At NSE, we are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities and making capital markets more accessible for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories. NSE is now a global leader in the capital raising. Total fund mobilization at NSE in financial year 25 was rupees 18.7 lakh crore or $219 billion, contributing significantly to the overall fund mobilization in India. In financial year 25, NSE facilitated 242 IPOs that mobilized 1.7 lakh crore or $20 billion. That this marks the highest number of IPOs recorded in any financial year, demonstrating the growing confidence of investors in India's capital markets. NSE looks forward to collaborate with Siemens Energy in its newly approved electricity derivatives market that will be launched soon. So we look forward to working with you. I congratulate the entire team of Siemens Energy and other parties associated for the accomplishments. This day is the start of a strong partnership between us. We look to support Siemens Energy India in their future fundraising endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Shri Chauhan. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've reached that part of this morning now where we venture into the ceremonial exchange of mementos, a very beautiful ceremony that symbolizes the strengthening of this incredible and meaningful partnership and this milestone, of course. I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Gulharm Mendonca to please join Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. As Shri Chauhan presents three symbolic and very, very iconic mementos to Mr. Mendonca. The first one is for the entire Siemens Energy family from NSE. The iconic bell. Box that's being presented to Mr. Mendonca has the proud to be listed badges. Once again, this is for the Siemens Energy family. finally, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan will be presenting the NSC Coffee Table Book. That beautifully chronicles the journey and the growth of NSC in India. Mr. Mendonca, we're going to hold on to these for you, and I'm going to invite you now to present a token of our gratitude. On behalf of the entire Siemens Energy family, to present it to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Let's have a thunderous round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us, and stay with me, sir. Mr. Mendonca, I'm going to request you to kindly take your seat. I'm going to invite you back in just a couple of minutes from now, as NSC will now like to present mementos to our partners in this ceremony. Up first, I'd like to invite Mr. Atul Mehra, CEO, Axis Capital. Welcome, Mr. Mehra. Now let's welcome Mr. Raghavendra Pandey, Executive Vice President, ICICI. Time to welcome Mr. Mehul Shah, Partner, Corporate and Commercial, Restructuring, Khaitan and Company. Welcome, Mr. Shah. Let's have another warm round of applause for all of our partners. Shri Chauhan, sir, thank you so much for doing the honors. I'm going to request you to please take your seat as we are counting down to the final few minutes of the bell ringing ceremony. We're going to make the most of this time, and I'd like to invite on stage back again Mr. Mendonca and Mr. Harish Shekhar. As all of us know that we are today joined by our key partners who've played a very pivotal role in the listing ceremony this day, and we'd like to take this moment to present mementos on behalf of the entire Siemens Energy family. So here we go. Let's begin by inviting on stage Mr. Sunil Mathur, CEO and Managing Director, Siemens Limited, and Chairman of Siemens Energy India Limited. Mr. Mendonca, request you to kindly present a token of our gratitude to Mr. Mathur. Mr. Mendonca will now present a memento to Mr. Karl-Heinz Seibert, Corporate Vice President, Mergers and Acquisitions, Siemens AG, and Director of Siemens Energy India Limited. There couldn't be a better symbol of this listing ceremony than the iconic bell itself that's going to make its way to the tables of our leadership team this morning. I'd like to invite Mr. Tim Holt, member of the Executive Board of Siemens Energy and Director of Siemens Energy India Limited. Welcome, Mr. Holt. Mr. Harish Shekhar, I request you to kindly present a memento to Ketan Dalal, Director of Siemens Energy India Limited. And ladies and gentlemen, let's keep the energy going and the claps coming as Mr. Mendonca presents our next memento to Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, Director of Siemens Energy India Limited. Mr. Mendonca will now present the memento to Wolfgang Wumning, CFO, Siemens Limited. Let's welcome Mr. Wumning with a huge round of applause, everybody. Mr. Shekhar, I now invite you to kindly present a memento. Let's begin with our partners that have made things easier and possible and enabled this wonderful ceremony. Mr. Atul Mehra, CEO, Axis Capital. And I see that he's here with his incredible team. Applause for Team Axis Capital on stage. And now it's time to invite Mr. Ravindra Pandey, Executive Vice President, ICICI, who's here with his team once again. Let's hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Shekhar requesting you to kindly present them a memento. I'd now like to invite partner M&A PE Khaitan and Company, Mr. Naren Patel, on stage, and Mr. Shekhar requesting you to kindly present a memento. Let's hear it for Ms. Vora on stage. And now let's prepare to welcome Jalpa Sonchatra, Partner Financial Accounting Advisory Services, Ernst & Young. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And let's welcome Mr. Mehul Bheda, Partner, Dhruva Advisors. Let's hear it for Team Dhruva Advisors. With that, we come to the end of the ceremony of mementos and exchange. Can we have one thunderous round of applause for all of our partners? I think each one of us in the room knows the very crucial role they've played in making it all possible. Gentlemen, luckily we have some minutes for a good photo opportunity. Just the two of you want to take that opportunity, please go for it. But you know, we have been talking about how this morning is a milestone in the company's journey and even in the countries, because we are all together poised to be an energy hub. And I think with this step, Siemens Energy deepens its commitment to India's growth, offering many more avenues and initiatives to be a part of its bold and its green journey. So gear up, because in just a few minutes, we are going to count down to the official bell ringing ceremony. And Mr. Mendonca, Mr. Shekhar, of course, I'm going to invite the rest of our dignitaries on stage. But I thought I'm just going to use these couple of minutes to brief everyone on how we do it, with your permission, of course. So even though I have been, I've taken over the proceedings of today, the counting down is something that I don't do all by myself, because I think it's very crucial that we all lend our voice, especially to the final 10 seconds. So I'm going to invite all of you to count down with me to the final 10 seconds. Meanwhile, let me take this opportunity to invite our dignitaries on stage for a photo op. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, sir, requesting you to please join us. Mr. Karl-Heinz Seibert, Mr. Sunil Mathur, Mr. Tim Holt, requesting you to please join us on stage. And apart from the counting down, so far it's just been several rounds of applause. But this, ladies and gentlemen, is that once in a lifetime moment where we can simply let loose and also make a lot of noise on the ringing of that bell. In fact, I'm wondering, since we still have a couple of minutes to go, why not do a quick warm up and a quick preview, all right? So I'm going to count down to 3, okay? And let's see if we are ready to receive this moment, okay? Are you with me? Yes? All right. 3, 2, and 1. I see that you took the words warm up very seriously. You're taking it nice and slow, and I totally appreciate that. I also usually say try and bring the roof down, but I can't say that today, because Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan will ensure I'm not on the stage again. But we can do better than that. So everybody, can you please make some noise? Whoa, every time I'm on this stage, I really wish that every morning begun like this, but why not, right? I mean, mentally and physically here, so it's 9:58 on the clock. We are counting down. This could be the time you want to bring out your cell phones if you want to capture this moment, or if you want to be fully present, I invite you to do that as well. And this is where Shri Chauhan partners with me and usually briefs everyone on stage how we're going to do it. It appears like we've done that already. I see that just like we always do, there's a team huddle happening on stage, ladies and gentlemen, that we are not invited to. Oh, Mr. Mathur has taken over today. He's actually doing the team briefing. I just hope I can keep my job, but... Okay, we're counting down to the final 48 seconds. Everybody, let's be on standby. And let's do this in the best way possible. Because at the ringing of that bell, we are going to make tomorrow different today. I just hope I have the attention of all the gentlemen on stage. Okay, everyone. Counting down to the final 19 seconds. At 10, you are going to join me and we're going to do this all together. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, Limited is now officially listed in India. Everybody make a lot of noise. And clearly, as you saw on screen, our commitment to clean and green goes very, very strong. Many, many congratulations to all of us in the room. With this morning, we all continue to grow louder and stronger together. The bell rung, the future unlocked. Please capture this iconic moment. I hope you have. From all of us at Siemens Energy India Limited, thank you so much for being a part of this defining morning. It's a reaffirmation to our commitment to energizing the society, the country, and the world, and to powering progress with responsibility, resilience, and innovation. A heartfelt thank you to the entire IPO team and the extended team whose tireless efforts have made things possible. Your passion and precision is at the very core of this ceremony. Thank you everyone for joining us. We are officially hashtag listed in India. And don't forget to use this hashtag while you continue to share your pride on social media. Please join us for refreshments. I'm Xenia Fernandez signing off. Thank you and have an energetic day, everybody. Thank you once again.